Hey, welcome to my channel. What is up? How is everybody doing today? Today's going to be a fun video. I am going to film a video on how I dye my hair at home. So if you haven't noticed, my hair is black. I just dyed it today and I really like how it turned out. If you don't know, I did dye it like a week and a half, 2 weeks ago or something, and it was all blotchy and it was more brown. I wanted like a nice black. So I really felt like that wasn't doing it for me. I used Clairol before and now I use the L'Oreal casting one. I'll put a little picture up so you guys can see. I use two different kinds. I use Black Noir and then Black is Black or something like that. Yeah, so shade 1 and shade 2 I used. And I'm really happy. So this is what it looks like. If you guys didn't know, my hair was brown before, but yeah. Oh, and just a little disclaimer, I am not a hairdresser. This is just how I do it at home. So I'm really messy with applying this product, as you'll be able to see in the video, but it might not be the exact right way how to do it or how you do it, but this is just how I do it and it works for me. So yeah, if you guys like this video or you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It shows me that you're enjoying my content. And before taking off today, if you could, please subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you part of the fam. Yeah, so I'm just gonna film this video so you guys can see how I dye my hair at home. So yeah, and can you leave in the comments and let me know if you liked my brown hair better or you like the black hair better. I'm really curious to hear you guys' thoughts. So without further ado, let's get on to the video. Okay, so this is what we're going to be using is the L'Oreal Casting Cream Gloss. So what they look like. And these apparently have no ammonia in them, and their shimmering color blends away gray, intense nutrition. So, and they're enriched with royal jelly, whatever that means. So, yeah. I previously dyed my hair, I think like a week ago or 2 weeks ago. I know you're not supposed to dye it that soon, but as you can see, I don't know if you can see, it's really patchy. I even used 2 box dyes, like 2 colors, but it's just, and it's not really a black, like it's more like a, I don't know, I don't really like the color. So I'm hoping that this is gonna do the trick for me. So what I'm gonna do is take some like petroleum jelly or anything you have, like a balm or whatever, and just put it around my ears and stuff to make sure that it just makes the hair dye slide, not stick on your head, so you don't have just stains. Because I'm kind of messy when I do my hair, so I always get it like in my ears. And I believe this was like $10. This has got really good ratings and reviews. So it comes with the hair dye. This is the Casting Cream Gloss. So this is the number 2. Comes with that. And then it comes with that's the conditioner. This is number 1, this is number 2, so this goes inside this one. And then it comes with instructions and then a pair of gloves. And I haven't washed my hair. This is like just 2 days, I think. So it says leave in for 20 minutes. I hate these gloves. And I just have like an old t-shirt on. What I'm gonna do is put half in each bottle. Okay, so I'm just going to know what half is. So like I said, I put half of each one in each. Okay. What does this look like? Oh, it's tiring. Now what you're going to do is you're going to want to brush your hair. So I'm just going to part mine in like 4 sections just to make it easier for me. Okay, and I like using this thing. This is just a hair dye thing. So I go right down this part first. I mean, I usually wear it down the middle, so. And then I just take the brush. Make sure to get your sideburns. Massaging. Okay, so I'm just gonna finish the rest and I'll be back in a minute, okay? So yeah, so this is the finished look. Wow, it's such a big difference, hey, from what it was before. I love it. Yeah, so super happy. It's really silky. It's definitely a lot more black. So yeah, I'm totally happy with the results. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys enjoyed the video, please give it a big thumbs up. It shows me that you're enjoying my content. And don't forget to subscribe before you leave today and be part of my fam. I would really love to have you guys here and I'd really appreciate all your subscriptions. Yeah, so definitely leave in the comments below. Let me know what color you like better. I'm kind of digging the black. I've never had my hair black before, like ever in my life. So, but I really like it. I love you guys and I will see you in my next video. Bye.